Hey guys, Chris from Flow Brackets. Now today we're working on a Bentley Continental GT and I'm going to show you how to get rid of this big ugly box and shrink it down to something like this. Let's get into it. So this is a brand new car, so the problem isn't immediately obvious. But as soon as you purchase the car and put your number plates on, it's not going to be the same size as the box, and that's what it's going to look like. So what we've done is we've redesigned this factory mounting box completely, and we've shrunk it down to that, and I'll show you how to get it installed. So this outer section is the box, which is color matched to the car. Some of them will have a decorative panel on the front like this one. If it does, just take it off, and then you'll see the plugs that hold it on. Now these are the plugs we're working with. All you gotta do is push in the little pin and then you can pull and everything drops out. There's some clips on each corner. Just push them in, out of the grill and it'll come out. Now this is the miniature plinth. It's designed to suit this car exactly. Everything is molded to the shape of the car and it is a self-locating part, so it will self-level. It even uses a factory hole in the middle. So all you gotta do is grab the plug that which will be behind the part, put that into the factory hole, line this up and put your first screw in. Now that you've done that, you can put your other two screws. Now this you will need to drill, and how I would do it is to get a little Sharpie, color it in, take it off, drill a tiny hole, maybe a 3mm, and then put your screw in. That way you know it's gonna be nice and level. Now I won't be doing it on this car because this is a brand new car, but that's how you would do it. Now there are some factory holes left behind, so we do give you an extra plug which you can put in to disguise the hole, which you can go away and get it color matched if you would like. Now that we have the plinth on, it's time to choose a bracket. Now, what that means is you need to choose a bracket to match the number plate you're looking to mount to the car. We can't make a plinth that suits every car and every plate combination, so we separate it in two parts. By having a plinth, which is modular, you can choose a bracket to suit, say, a slimline plate. This will go into the car first, followed by the plate. If you're running a different plate style, say a heritage plate, you'll grab a heritage bracket in the correct size, bolt that on, and put the plate on, and this will always follow the plate. If you decide to sell the car, you've got this bracket which will follow the plate for your next car. So we have our Victorian slimline plate, which I'll install as a demonstration. I've got my slimline plate. Now to install this is easy. There's two pairs of mounting hole on our miniature plinth, and on this one there's 10 slots. You can use any of those combinations to get the height that you want. Just take the bolt out and put it back in to the spot that you would like. Now that we have the bracket on, we can bolt on our slimline plate in all four corners using the bolts provided, but we are going to use our optional security screws, which means these are going to be anti-theft because you're going to need the correct size and the correct tool to get the plates on and off. And that's how you get rid of the big oversized mounting box and get a nice clean floating look like this. Just remember, you do need two parts. You need a plinth to suit the car. In this case, it's the Continental GT or GTC, and a bracket to suit your number plate style. And with those combined, you get a nice floating look like that. So I hope you found this video useful and thanks for watching.